Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this one app that pays you to click, and you're going to receive fast PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people. Because guys, I need you to hit that like button. It's going to help me to continue to make more videos like this. So please hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, you saw at the beginning of the video about the free money giveaway. Follow those instructions. And please, guys, watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen that you need to pay attention to. It's going to increase your chances of winning the free money. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So all you're going to do on this website is get paid to click. So you're going to be clicking on ads and you're going to get paid. Now, when you come here, you're going to sign up and become a publisher. So when you become a publisher, you're going to start getting paid to click on ads. You get paid instantly. And you'll be able to withdraw your balance through PayPal or bank transfer. So you got to have a PayPal account if you want to cash out, or a bank transfer. So you got to have a bank account. Now it's 100% free to sign up. And you'll be able to start immediately as soon as you sign up, guys. And you don't need any skills at all. So no skills required. You don't have to have any experience doing anything like this. And you're going to have fast payout transfer. So manually withdraw your balance to your account or use auto payout. And they have quality service and support. So free support for both advertisers and publishers. There's no contract or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. You're free to stop anytime you want to. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account, because I have an account on this website. Before I log in and show you a little bit more, I want to tell you what's the name of this site. The name of this site is Star Clicks. So let me go ahead and sign into my account right now. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So this is how it looks. And as you can see over here, they have the pay per click ads. So that's where you go to click on ads and make your money. And you got your inbox where they're going to be sending you any type of emails you may need to check. The settings up here, you get bonuses, your payout right here. You got support right here if you need to contact them for any kind of questions that you have. And over here, so down here, they have the account balance. So you'll be able to see what your balance is and let you know what type of membership you got. And here are the PPC ads that are available. You click there, and here's the mobile verification. You need to verify through your mobile once you sign up. Then right here, they kind of show you a 7-day activity of how much you earn and how many clicks you've made. And this will be an earnings chart right here. So any money that you make, it'll pop up here and show you. So over here on the side, we have account overview, mobile verification, the pay per click ads, your balance transfer, account settings, your referrals, so you can make money with referrals, your account reports, you can upgrade your account, and you have the top members, so they just show all the members that are making the most money on this site. Kind of give you a little bit of motivation. So, if you're down at the bottom, you see some people at the top. Oh, let me click some more so I can make some more money. And right here, you can invite people. Once you invite people, again, you're going to get paid for referring people to this site. Now, basically, I just wanted to show you that, guys. It's, very straightforward and everything. But I'll show you one other thing. So right here, this is where it shows the ads that are available. So they have a lot right here for me that I can click on and make money from. Now, the only thing with this site, guys, they're going to pay you 1 cent per click. So you're not going to be making that much money. So this is not a site where you can get rich. Now, that's all I'm going to show you on this site. So if you want to go ahead and make some extra little money, that you want to have some pocket change, or, have some money to just put to the side to save, go ahead and go to starclicks.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, for all of you guys that made it to this point in the video, congratulations, good for you, and I appreciate it. Please type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. This is going to increase your chances of winning the free money, and also lets me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end, and I really appreciate that. That's going to help this video and help this channel when you watch the video all the way through. All right, guys, thanks again. I really appreciate it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.